Listen, man, I know today this one is different. Today we have Con Funk Shun, Love's Train. I think they was just doing like a little play on function and funk shun. I like that right there. It's very creative, but this group is based out of California. I never heard anything about them. This is completely new to me, so give me all context down below. Yeah, I know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, tap the notification bell. Let's get straight into it. Already out the rip, man. He needs his ass whooped for these vocals. Too damn good. Ain't no loving too much for me to be standing out in the street, but I get you, brother. You in love, but if she ain't responding till 2 o'clock, I just hate to tell you, somebody else is over there, man. You just the one she come to for emotional support. Them other hours, after hours, whew, it get rough, man. Just stay strong.
She said, sugar, honey, darling, I really want to see you too.
Whoa.
It's just that someone's over, and baby, I really want to be with you.
Damn, to be told that, like, damn, I really like you, I'm just with somebody else, but I'd rather be with you. She's probably telling you or telling the other guy the same thing. I don't know how she doing it, but dang, she got some power. If you were that special lover and love keeps you tied to another, that's the way it goes on Love's Train. This train goes basically because this person is attached to this other person, but you're attached to that person. It's a train. We link together. The other person might not even know about this other guy, the one that's singing or whatever, whoever this song is about. But that's just the way it goes, bro. And sometimes the train ain't gonna stop rolling. But I don't know. She controlling that train for sure.
Sometimes heartstrings can be broken, but you just have to keep on going. That's the way it goes on Love's Train. Listen, baby. If you've sorrow, you've been soaking, but you just have to keep on stroking. That's the way it goes on Love's Train. Nothing hurts a thing, y'all, makes you want to cry. Come on. If you are that special lover, love keeps
I like the way he just said goes right there. I'm sorry I keep pausing, but I'm liking everything about these vocals right now.
Tied to another. That's the way it goes on love's train. Find yourself. Sometimes heartstrings can be broken, but you just have to keep on flowing. That's the way it goes on love's train. In time, everything gonna be alright.
I ain't gonna lie, man. How I think about this song, I might be thinking about it too deep. You know how a train just keeps on going. We have different destinations, different stops, different kind of people we pick up. Love is gonna be like that. It's gonna be like different experiences. The train gonna slow down sometimes. The train gonna, come to a halt sometimes. But the main thing is that it's going to keep on going no matter what. No matter if you get your heart broke, you get cheated on, whatever, the train gonna keep on going. You're gonna find somebody that, is gonna take care of you, love you for you, and then the train still goes. It just goes the right way. You know what I'm saying? Love is like, somewhat direction. Sometimes you might be going in the wrong direction. Sometimes you might be going in the right direction. But you have to go in the wrong direction in order to get back on track. Feel me? Hold on. I ain't trying to cook up too bad. I ain't no rapper or nothing, but that's what I took from this song, man. The train just gonna keep on going no matter what, bro. And there might be a couple more passengers on that train, but it is what it is. You better hope you the one who at the front row. No cap. I'm out of here. Peace.